Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So let's see how to do it. First of all, go to Facebook and then go to your profile. Now tap on three dot icon. Now find Facebook profile lock option. Here you can see Facebook profile lock option missing. Basically, Facebook profile lock feature is not available in Facebook professional mode. So if you want to lock your Facebook profile, you need to turn off professional mode. Now tap on turn off professional mode. Tap on continue and turn off your Facebook professional mode. Now tap on close. Now refresh your profile settings page and see profile lock option is now available. Now just tap on lock profile. Again tap on lock your profile. Now see your profile has been locked. In this way you can easily lock your Facebook profile. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.